mini books, little itty bitties, whatever you want to do with them. Here's the pages cut and put on red paper as a little card. There are little itty bitty mini inserts. Here's a card completely done. A little glue will do. A little bit of cutting. I'm going to show you the master pages, all available on Payhip. $5, $5, $5, and you can download as many times as you would like and make the cutest books ever. A wonderful family project. Here are the pages that you get, and you get to cut them apart. I will also point out that I put some free pages so that you can practice downloading. How does it work before you spend your money? So grab the free ones, learn how to use Payhip, and download risk-free. Then once you've mastered it, that's when you go back and make a purchase. And I highly recommend that you purchase things one at a time so that you can go to where your downloads are kept and organize them, create a file for it, and then move on to another purchase. And I thank you for that. I thank you for sharing, so you get plenty. You can get some upside down. Let's flip you around. There we go. Merry Christmas. Have a color. They're just too cute. Too cute. For mini books and more. Gift tags, little cards, little cute. Just the perfect thing to give somebody when you just want to give them a little bit. Also, they slip into a regular Christmas envelope easily. So there you have it. A look at the mini books. The Itsy Bitsies.